Today's the day, students. We're comparing and contrasting monohybrid and dihybrid crosses. Remember, mono means one, therefore we will be looking at one trait. Di means two, we will be looking at two traits. So the first problem we are going to look at is suppose that black hair, capital B, is dominant over blonde hair, lowercase b. The father has black hair, heterozygous, and the mother has blonde hair. Okay, so we are looking at one trait, therefore it is a monohybrid cross. So dad is heterozygous for black hair. Heterozygous means a capital letter and a lowercase letter. The capital letter will mask the lowercase letter, so we will have big B, little b. And mom has blonde hair. In order for a recessive trait to show, both genes have to be lowercase. So we will have, okay, so we have two alleles, 1, 2, and two alleles, 1, 2. Therefore, we will have 4 boxes. So let's draw our Punnett square. And then we just take one allele, put it on top, the other allele on top, and then the other 2 alleles on the side. And then we will put them into the boxes. All right, so the first question we have is what % of the offspring will be totally heterozygous? So heterozygous means a capital letter and a lowercase letter. So we have 2 that are heterozygous, 50% hetero. The second question is, what is the phenotypic ratio? So a phenotype is the physical things you can observe. You can observe that I have blonde hair and I have green eyes. So we will be able to observe whether they have black hair, which is the dominant trait, and blonde hair, which is the recessive trait. We will have 2 that have black hair and 2 that have blonde hair, so we will have a 2-to-2 ratio, which simplifies into 1-to-1 ratio. The third question is what % of the offspring will have blonde hair? And if you look, we'll have 50% with blonde hair and 50% with black hair. That's our video on monohybrid crosses. I hope you enjoyed. Come back for the dihybrid.